In today's fast-paced world, the flipped classroom model has become a popular and effective way to engage students and enhance their learning experience. One of the most powerful tools that can support this model is interactive panel technology. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using interactive panels to create a dynamic and engaging flipped classroom environment. Interactive panel technology allows teachers to present content in a visually appealing and organized manner. With features like touchscreen capabilities, annotation tools, and multimedia integration, teachers can create interactive lessons that cater to a wide range of learning styles, keeping students engaged and motivated throughout the learning process. In a flipped classroom, students have access to course content before attending class, allowing them to come prepared with questions and ready to participate in discussions. Interactive panels can be used to display pre-recorded videos, presentations, or other digital content, ensuring that the material is accessible and easy to follow for all students. Collaboration is a key component of the flipped classroom model, and interactive panels excel at facilitating group work and communication. Students can work together on projects, solve problems, and brainstorm ideas directly on the panel, promoting teamwork and critical thinking skills. Teachers can also monitor progress and provide real-time feedback, ensuring that the learning process remains focused and productive. Assessment is an important aspect of any learning environment, and interactive panels can support various forms of assessment in a flipped classroom. From quizzes and polls to digital portfolios and presentations, teachers can utilize the panel's features to evaluate student progress and understanding, providing valuable insights that can be used to tailor future lessons and address any areas of difficulty. In conclusion, interactive panel technology can greatly enhance the flipped classroom experience by providing a versatile and engaging platform for content delivery, collaboration, and assessment. By embracing this innovative technology, educators can create a dynamic learning environment that promotes student success and prepares them for the challenges of the 21st century.